Bloomberg Educated Investor is brought to you by DBFX from Deutsche Bank.
In the fast-moving Forex market, traders need to stay alert to economic and breaking news. While they can't control the global events that cause a reaction in the market, they can control how they respond to them.
Over the long haul, traders succeed by having a process. And the expression that I give my clients is no edge, no trade.
Let's say the market is going against you. What often happens psychologically is that you start to grapple around for other approaches to explain what's going on.
I want to do it before the close.
Don't be afraid to step away if a trade triggers your emotions. This may be the time to focus on the math behind the trade. Your trade's expected value.
In order for a trader to make the best trade possible, they have to understand the concept of expected value. Let's look at the probabilities of a trade. Let's say the probability is that there's a 60% chance of the trade working and a 40% chance of the trade not working. Then you want to look at the magnitude, meaning how much could it possibly go up if it does work and how much it would go down if it doesn't work. Well, in this case, let's say you think maybe it'll go up 5 points if it works, and it'll go down 2 points if it doesn't work. Then you want to multiply across to get your expected value. 60 times 5 gives you a positive expected value of 300. 40 times 2 gives you a negative expected value of 80. So in this case, going long is the right trade, not because you want to, but because the math tells you.
Once you learn that it is not your ego that is involved in the position, it is your analysis, then you will know that when you're wrong, you stop, and when you're right, you let it run.
And that means not only determining where you want to enter the trade, but where you plan on exiting the trade, both if you're making money or if you're losing money, and sticking to it.
The most common pitfall is to inject hope into your position. If the position does not go the way you want, people will say, well, in 20 points it will change, in 30 points it will change. It usually doesn't.
Go into every trade waging tactical warfare. Know what drives you emotionally and always trade your game plan. Thanks for watching Bloomberg, The Educated Investor. I'm Carol Biaggi.
Bloomberg Educated Investor is brought to you by DBFX from Deutsche Bank.